Hello, Gabby. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 things that you can do to boost your online rankings. So we're going to cover content, citations, and backlinks. Let's start with content. When I come here to your website, I really like that it has beautiful pictures, and I like this section because it invites users to play with your different designs. One thing I did notice is that you are lacking a little bit of content because at the moment you have 194 words and Google likes to see at least 1500 words so you can be optimized and you can be ranked. So in that content, you also need to include relevant keywords, and we will talk about that in a minute. When I look at your competitors, Leo Lands, they have around, they provide a lot more description. And in here, I noticed that they have around 904 words. And Classic Kitchens of Virginia, they have lots of pictures. And in here, they have 838 words on the front page. Now, let's talk about your Google search. The Google search, so when I type in the keyword kitchen remodel Richmond, Virginia, and a keyword is anything that a Google user can type in to buy services or products. So in this case, kitchen remodel, we have 3 sections, usually 3 sections. So the first section is usually Google Ads, and Google Ads are able to drive 30% of the traffic, but reality is that a lot of people skip those Google Ads and they come in here to the Google Maps. And the Google Maps are able to drive 60% of the traffic, so that makes a huge difference, and it's important to rank at the top. To rank at the top, you need citations, and a citation is anywhere your business is listed in a directory, and it has to show the name and the business address and the phone number exactly the same way as they appear in the Google Business Profile. So that's something to bear in mind, just to make sure that they are looking the same. And that's my second tip. Now let's come on to the third section, which is what we call the Google Organic Search. And to rank at the top of your Google Organic Search, we need backlinks. And backlinks are a link that is included in another website that is directing traffic to your website, or that it is pointing to your website. So in the eyes of Google, not all backlinks are created equal. And what that means is that some backlinks actually give you more power than others. And think about it like a popularity contest. Some people, the people that have the most likes is the person that is going to win. In this case, the website that has the most backlinks and the more powerful backlinks is the website that is going to rank at the top. To analyze the ranking of your website, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And in Ahrefs, we can see that at the moment you have 45 referring domains with 100 backlinks. Your competitors, on the other hand, so Leo Lands, they have 329 referring domains with 1,000 backlinks. And Virginia, Classic Kitchens of Virginia, they have 428 referring domains and 5,300 backlinks. And here is my point. Look, they have more referring domains with more backlinks, but they are not necessarily ranking at the top. And that is because depending on the strength of that backlink, that power is going to be passed on to your website. Now, when we talk about keywords, this is important because these are the keywords that you can include in the content and the relevant content of your website. So we have the keywords here, and this tool shows me the search volume, how difficult it is to rank those keywords in Google, and here it shows me your position. So for whatever position you are beyond the 10th position, that means that you are already on the second page. So you really want to target relevant keywords so that you can appear at the top. So for example, here you are ranking, so the first positions that you are looking at are specific to your brand or specific to kitchen countertops, Glen Allen, which is really good. I mean, those are keywords that are relevant to you. But for example, your competitors are targeting the following keywords and they are able to drive the following traffic. So for example, kitchen remodel in Richmond, Virginia. The search volume is 600 and they are appearing in third position. Kitchen remodel Richmond, Virginia, 450, and they are in third position. Between these two, that's more than 1,000 visits a month. and they are able to drive more than 100 visits per month to their website. In fact, to rank for that, the Google Ads, this means cost per click, is $9 to rank for those keywords. So imagine being at the top of the Google search for those two keywords. And this is the keyword difficulty, so it's not that hard to rank at the top. That means that without paying Google Ads, you are already going to get traffic, organic traffic to your website that are going to acquire your business and your services. Let's have a look at Classic Virginia Kitchens. They must be in a similar position. So let's have a look. They are ranking, well, fourth for, come on. They are ranking fourth for kitchen remodel in Richmond, Virginia, number fifth for kitchen remodel Richmond, and that's around 100 visits per month. So just to recap, that's what I wanted to show you today. We talk about content, so you need more and more relevant content. We talk about citations. You need more citations that are showing exactly the same way as your Google business profile, and you need more and more powerful backlinks. And with that, I just wanted to thank you for watching this video. If you want to have more information, please consider arranging a one-on-one and more in-depth consultation with me. Here are my contact details. I am Viviana. This is my number and this is my email address. And once again, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.